Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still believe this is the end of a wave C right here. If that is the end of a wave C, then this will, over the coming probably months and even years, end up continuing the downtrend, most likely end up looking something like that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame, which is where I prefer to switch back to the dollar index. On the dollar index, I do see this first move down as a wave 1. I still think this is an A, B, C, D, and now we're going up for wave E, which I believe is going to go up to, I think, the 50, but possibly could go even higher than that to finish off what I believe is an A, B, C, D, E of wave 2. Then most likely end up continuing the downtrend for that big wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can actually start to see the higher highs, higher lows that make up this move up. I don't really see any reason to think it's over. I do see 5 waves, but that definitely doesn't tell me the trend is over. I still think it's going to at least go up to this level before we see too much resistance, and I believe it's going to actually go quite a bit beyond that to at least the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for pullbacks. I'm looking for three-wave patterns to the downside. I'm looking for impulsive moves up. If I see 3 waves down, just like these crescents back here, 3 waves down, impulsive up, that's exactly what I'm looking for an entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Higher time frames are telling me that the trend is most likely not over. Shorter time frames are just going to continue to look for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looked like it was trying to end the correction at one point. It definitely looked like impulsive down, 3 waves up, and then impulsive down. It looked like the end of an ABC correction. We definitely went right down to the 78 and 88% Fibonacci level. We did make an impulsive move up. It is pulling back pretty strong, so we'll have to see if this really does end up working out or not. It does seem to me like the trend is up and that we need to continue up. Whether or not the correction is actually over now, I could possibly see this as an other wave count also, like this is an A, this is a B, and this is a C, and it goes down like that. But I think it's more likely we already have the ABC correction, we already have the Fibonacci bounce, we already have the impulsive move up. I think this is more likely just going to keep on trending up, and I'm just going to continue to look for long entries on the dollar or maybe short entries on some of these dollar pairs for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.